Next, continue the vertical incision from the external occipital protuberance inferiorly along the midline of the back to approximately the level of T12. Then on either side, make lateral incisions to the mid-axillary line. Superiorly, make a transverse incision along and over the shoulder to a point about 3 inches inferior to the acromion. Remove the skin from the posterior half of the head and neck, and also from the back to reveal the underlying muscles. Clean and identify the trapezius muscles, their lateral borders and their attachments, moving superiorly to the external occipital protuberance. Look for the stumps of the greater occipital nerves and accompanying occipital vessels where they emerge from the cranial attachment of the trapezius muscle.